My name is Jordan Whiskin and I'm a fully qualified BMW mechanic for Western Victoria. We specialise in BMWs, but we also can work on anything really. Harleys, Suzuki, Yamaha, whatever. I mainly service our fleet of motorcycles, which includes BMW 1200 GSs, 800 GSs, 700s, 650s Teos, and Suzuki DR 650s. I'm a fully qualified motorcycle mechanic, Certificate 3. I spent my 4 years of my apprenticeship at Southbank BMW. We offer a pick-up and drop-off service, which we're happy to travel Victoria-wide. We do keep a range of tyres on site and we do offer a tyre changing service. And of course, having us do your logbook servicing won't void your warranty. I left BMW for the change of scenery. I'd worked with Mick and Jerry before and it seems like a perfect fit. I look forward to being able to assist BMW owners with any of their repair, service or emergency breakdown needs.